When S is followed by H, you'll never guess what it makes. It's shh. You hear it in words of all sizes and shapes. You've heard that funny shushing sound when kids in the classroom horse around, or when someone shouts in the library and shh. Right, sorry about that. But shh has many more uses than telling someone to hush. Like when you wash a shaggy sheep, then finish with a brush. Or stop in the shoe shop for a shine, or shampoo cause it's shower time. There's no shortage of words to share. The SH sound is everywhere. When S is followed by H, now you know what it makes. That sh you know from words like show and ship and shh. Okay, but can I just finish this one song real quick? Shh.